Okay, students, the next step is to create an assembly file. Now, in order to do that, we're going to take all 6 of your files and put them in one file on the screen. So I have all 6 of my files open. You don't necessarily have to have that. You just have to have access to them. So I'm going to go up here to the eye, and I'm going to say New, and I'm going to create a standard assembly file. So I'm just going to click Create. And the first thing I need to do is I need to place all of the components that I want to assemble on the screen. So I'll go up there to where it says Place, and then I click Place again, and then it'll pull up your login folder and you can start placing your files. So I'm going to just start with the top, click Open. Again, it looks really big, so just move your mouse and click it. And then hit Escape when you are finished after you've clicked it on the screen. And then you're going to go up to, you may have to hit Escape a couple of times. Then you're going to go up to Place again. And this time around, if I have my top, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom. Open. Now everything's kind of the same size, so it's a little bit easier. Click, hit Escape. Place. It doesn't really matter where you put them on the screen right now. Now I'm going to go to my front, open, click, escape, place, rear, open, click, escape, place, side, open, click, escape, place, side 2, open, click, escape. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files. Go over here to the cube and click Front. And what it does is it shows the front view of all of them, but now we need to kind of move them around a little bit so we can see them. I'm going to get my 2 squares, get those out of the way. And then I'm going to do my 2 and try to get your sides that match each other to be right next to each other like I'm doing. And then I'm going to take this one, and this one's going to go over here. I'm going to take this one, and this one's going to go over here. And then when I'm done, I'm going to save the file. So you go to File, Save As, and we need to save it as an IAM file. And we're going to, again, use your last name, and it's going into your school login folder. So I'm going to put Kerner Assembly IAM. Click Save. Okay, so this particular file is done. We have one more step, and that will be in the next video.